This is number 3. We've got a plane going up north at 200 kilometers per hour. Then there's a wind going at 45 degrees, okay, at 40 miles an hour. So what it will do is this component of the 40 miles an hour will push the plane to the right. And this component of the 40 will make it go faster than 200. Okay, so we're going to figure it out. This is 45 degrees. We're going to look for the length of OA out of 40. Okay, this is adjacent, right? Because the angle is here. Right next to it is adjacent. Adjacent over hypotenuse is cosine, 45 degrees. So we have it right here. OA over 40 is cosine 45. Then you cross multiply, it's 28.28. Means this is 28.28. So we know that from A to C is going to be 200 plus that 28.28. So it's going to be 228.28, right? It's going to go faster. Not by 40, right? Because 200 is going that way. And you got 40, part of it is going that way. We're pushing it up faster. But part of the 40 is going this way. So it'll make it go that way a little bit. So the final direction is going to be here, to the right some, from O to C. And it's going to be longer than 200. Okay, so what we're going to do is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And this is 28.28. This is 228.28, right? Then we find out this is 230.03. And this is correct, right? Because just think, this is 230, is the hypotenuse, and this is almost as long, but it's 228. So it's about right. Okay, then you figure it out. We're going to get the degree out of this. Okay, it's more than 45, but not 90. So you're going to do adjacent over hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the speed is 230.03. So you make a ratio 28 point some over 230 point some, and it's cosine. So you just do an inverse, right? You put this in here, and it's 82.94 degrees. So it's going to go from here only to 82.94, not to 90 degrees. We wanted to go north, but got blown to this direction, okay? And I think if you subtract 82.94 from 90, it'll be 7.06. So the direction is north 7.06 E, and at this speed. Now part 2 is actually quite simple, okay? Is you really want to go north, okay? You really want to go north, but the wind is blowing you this way, right? So you have to go at an angle. You have to sort of aim at this direction. Then wind blows, then you'll be here. So you just know that this is 200, and this is going to be a little bit less, but you're going to have to add this 28.28, right? Because this, again, pushing you go faster. So this is what we're doing. We know this OX1, OX2 has to equal. Both equal 28.28, so that this will go straight. Okay, so cosine theta, this is our theta, is 200 over 28.28. And you figure it out is about 81.87 degrees. Okay, just use that. Then this is, the big angle is 81.87, so this is only 8.13. Okay, then you can do a cosine of this one to figure out this. Okay, because for this angle 8.13, this is hypotenuse and this is adjacent, right next to the angle, and this comes out to be 197.99. Then we said you have to add the part of the 40 that's pushing you forward, which is 28.28. So you add it, so it's this. So you're actually going pretty fast going north.